Pastor, how long have you known Sara Duterte? Maybe you can be a good advisor to her when it comes to laying down blueprints for the future.
When I had befriended the then city mayor, who is now the vice mayor, Mayor Rodrigo Duterte, Sara was a very young girl then. And she grew up here in Davao City, and I saw her growing up. And I missed one important event in her life. That was her 18th birthday. But I was really invited, and I was supposed to pray for her. But I was really in a bind with my schedule, so I kind of missed that. But at least right now that she is the mayor,
But you did not miss my wedding, Pastor.
I did not miss her
And
wedding.
I'm truly grateful that you attended my wedding.
I really did make up for that. So I attended her wedding, and now that she is the mayor here in Davao City, we are in all out support for her governorship.
Thank you.
Yeah. I remember, Pastor, you used to ride big bikes with
Yeah.
the group
Yeah.
and with the young
We used
mayor
to go big biking to Mati, and I was with the group, and Sarah was with us also.
then.